Introducing the TURBRO electric fireplace heater, the most efficient way to heat your home. Installation is easy. Just screw on the legs, plug it in, then enjoy. Press the power button to turn on the flames. Then press the heater button and easily adjust the temperature to your comfort. It conveniently heats a room up to 1,000 square feet, and the vintage design allows it to fit into any decor. The heater also has all safety certifications, including overheat protection, and the cool touch surface makes it safe for any household. Since the heater and the fire effect work separately, you can enjoy it all year long. So get yours today. TURBRO, elegant and safe home products.
Imagine the perfect fireplace, one with a clear, unobstructed view of dazzling flames, a grand log set, and a full herringbone brick surround. You're picturing Revillusion by Dimplex. Revillusion redefines the modern fireplace by giving you the look of a combustion fireplace with the amazing customization and simplicity only possible with electric. Stunningly realistic day or night. Whether the fireplace is on or off. Available as a built-in electric firebox for custom installations and a plug-in electric log set to bring your existing fireplace to life. It's time to take another look at electric. You'll see that with Revillusion, the future of fireplaces is clear.